Designed for imperfect sealing surfaces, engineered and manufactured specifically for the repair environment to help seal imperfect sealing surfaces. Engineered to perform, proprietary cork-rubber formulation. Superior seal, highly conformable to accommodate for the imperfect sealing surfaces. Every part for the repair. FelPro gasket sets include every part needed for the repair unless otherwise noted. Real-world tested, parts are tested on vehicle and validated to ensure optimal performance on the road. FelPro gaskets offer 100% vehicle sealing with application-specific materials to give you sealing solutions with the performance and durability professionals trust. Top reviews from the United States. Consistent performance and quality. I've been using FelPro gaskets since 1979. For every auto application under the sun. I've used and seen other gasket products and they rarely meet the same reliability of FelPro. For engine, transmission, differential sealing applications, I rarely use anything else. It is not worth paying less to have leaks and have to do the job over.